If you're getting a message, load disk space in your notification area, or if you see that your local disk is in red, I'll show you a few simple steps how to fix this issue and how to clean up, how to create some space, and this is probably going to speed up your computer as well. First thing you need to do, you need to uninstall unnecessary softwares. And to do that, click on Start, click on this little gear, Settings, and then click on Apps. And right here, click on Apps and Features. And right here, you're going to see a lot of different apps. Find unused apps and uninstall them. Step number 2, we need to delete temporary files. To do that, we need to right click on a start and click Run. Right here, type temp and press Enter or click OK. Right here, this box is going to appear. What you need to do, you need to select all and delete. This is just temporary, unnecessary files. Then we'll repeat the same step. We'll right click and we'll click on Run. And we're gonna type %, temp, and %, one more time, and then click OK. And in here, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna select all, and we're gonna right click and delete. Once this is done, you can click Close. Step number 3, empty your recycle bin. Some people don't know, but every time when you right clicking and deleting stuff, it's just moving stuff into recycle bin and it's not actually deleting. Sometimes recycle bins can hold up to 10, 20, 30, 40, even in some cases 50 gigs of trash. And this is taking a lot of your local disk space. So what you need to do, you need to right click on recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin. And I have 99 files and click yes. And then click continue. Okay, now this is done. Now we need to optimize drive C. Click on your file explorer, click on this PC, right click on local disk C, click on properties, and then click on tools and click on optimize. Right here, make sure disk C is selected and click optimize. Once this is done, we can close this and click OK here. The last step we need to do, and step number 5, we need to do a disk cleanup. Click on Start and type disk cleanup and click on it. And in here, click on Clean up system files. And right here, we need to put a check mark next to every option. This is going to clean up almost 1 gig of files. Click OK here, and then click Delete Files. Once this is done, you can go back to your File Explorer and click on this PC, and look, now local disk C has 63 gigs free out of 78. Now you can see how 5 simple steps can actually free up so much space from your local disk C. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.